For this first project, I'm going to be recycling this wood round. Once it's prepared, I'm going to come in with white chalk paint. I'll be giving it 2 coats. And as you can see, I have already attached 4 wooden beads, and this is going to serve as the legs. Once I give it 2 coats with white chalk paint, I waited till it got dry, and then I have this wire ribbon, and I will be placing it around the wood round, tucking it down with some thumbtacks. It works perfect holding this in place. Today it is an open collaboration wood round or Wreath Wednesday WWW, and this takes place every month. Loli and I decided to host it the last Wednesday of each month. The ladies participating in this collaboration are truly amazing. Every month, Loli and I decide to bring in a different guest host, and this month is Krista Crafting Live. I'm going to be leaving the links down below to these beautiful creators along with a playlist down in my description box. Please make sure to go ahead and visit them and let them know that I send you. Show them lots of love by supporting us. Give us a thumbs up, comment on our video, and if you have not subscribed, please consider joining our crafty family. Okay guys, look at this beautiful peel and stick wallpaper. This is beautiful. I really like this color. I took this bamboo wreath, traced a circle, and then I'm going to go ahead and just cut it off, and this is going to be going inside the riser. This riser turned out absolutely gorgeous. You can add a candle, you could put it in your room and add some jewelry, or simply just add whatever it is that you desire. And here is how I decorate it. I hope you enjoy it. Moving on to our next project, I have this wood round also from Dollar Tree. Most of my items today are from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to continue with the white chalk paint. I'm going to give it, actually I'm going to distress the entire piece. I'm gonna go ahead and water some of this melted chocolate, and then this little bunny butt that I have here from Dollar Tree, I'm gonna go ahead and distress it or stain it. But then later on, I noticed that it was a little too dark for the piece that I am going to be placing it on, so I came in with some white chalk paint, and then of course I painted it with the white chalk paint, but I only gave it 1 coat. I'm going to be using this Waverly chalk paint, the color Mineral. I'm going to be painting the feet. And here it is, my dear friends. I decided to paint it in white, and I think this looks a lot better. So I'm gonna take a Jenga black. I'm gonna use some hot glue. I wanna make sure that this looks like 3D. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue it to the bunny butt, and then more hot glue, and then I'm gonna place it right on this wood round, just as you see. I think this looks nice. I like the white because it sticks out versus the other color. It would have looked a little too dark. So this bow, I started off a project, never finished it, so I had this bow left over. I'm gonna go ahead with some hot glue and glue it up here. This looks cute. I also have these little flowers from Dollar Tree. They come all in a package. I found them in the bottom of my stash, so I'm gonna be using one, and I'm gonna be placing it right by the bunny tail. And of course I'm gonna be gluing it with some hot glue. And look at how beautiful. I thought about putting a little cotton ball, but I think this looks more classy. I also have this little wood carrot, painting it white. I thought about painting it in orange to give it that pop look, but then I said it might not look good. So I opted for the white chalk paint, and now with some more hot glue, I'm gonna glue it right here. This is so pretty. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I also have some flowers and some leaves. I'm just gonna go ahead and start placing it here and there right by the bowl, and this will be it, my dear friends. If you have enjoyed this DIY, please make sure to let me know in the comment section. I have put this together. I really didn't know where I was going with this. It has been a very long week for me, but I managed to put this together, and I am so happy that I can bring it to your home to inspire you one way or the other. Let me know again in the comment section your thoughts, and I am so hoping that you enjoy this simple DIY. And please don't forget to visit my friends on the playlist. The playlist is down in my description box for your convenience. Here is the final review. I hope you enjoyed this simple project. And for this second wood round, since I purchased both of them the same day, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a heavier layer of distressing. And of course, I will be using white chalk paint. And of course, I'm gonna be distressing the back section as well. Once this is completely dry, I went to my wood stack. I'm gonna be getting 4 wood beads that look just alike, and then I'm gonna be using that as legs. I went to a garage sale and I purchased a whole box for actually pennies, because I took a whole bunch of things and he charged me $9, and these wood beads were in there, but I got four containers, so I was pretty happy. So I took a little bit of melted chocolate acrylic paint, I watered it down, and then I am giving it one coat to all 4 beads. After that, I'm gonna be gluing them to this wood round, and then I come back later on and I'm going to be distressing it with the same white chalk paint. Check out these little mini carrots. They are so adorable. This one, I started to paint it in white, but then I realized that it would not look right on top of that riser, because of course it is already very well distressed in white. So I took that hot chocolate, I diluted it in water. I'm gonna be painting all 3 of them, and of course with some hot glue, then I'm gonna be gluing them right on top of that riser. These transferable stickers, I found them in the bottom of my stash. Oh my god, I forgot that I had these, but when I was looking, I'm like, okay, I want to look for a stencil, something cute, and I found this and I'm like, oh, this is a lifesaver. Look at how gorgeous, and it matches with the colors that the carrots have. So I was so happy when I found this. Then all you have to do is just place it right on top, rub it with whatever you feel that is going to transfer. You could use a popsicle stick, but I'm using one of these little spatulas from the Crafter Square section, and you can find this at the Dollar Tree. That is all for today, my dear crafty friends. I hope you have enjoyed these projects and feel inspired to create something beautiful. If you haven't already done, don't forget to subscribe so like that we can craft together again in my next video. Until then, and happy crafting. I'll see you soon. And here is the final review, my crafty friends. I hope you enjoy it.